forbearance. Let's talk about that. Hi, my name is Tonya Byrd. I'm with Keller Realty Atlanta Partners in Peachtree City, Georgia, and today we're going to be talking all about forbearance. Now, I know that there's some people out there who have fallen on some hard times right now, maybe financially, and they think this forbearance thing is their easy button. But I would encourage you, if it's you or someone that you know who has gotten into a situation like that, that you reach out to me below so you know all of your options. I'm in the greater Atlanta area and would be glad to help you with all of your options besides forbearance. And if you're not in the greater Atlanta area, still connect with me, because I'd be glad to connect you with a great real estate agent in your neck of the woods. Now let's get into that forbearance. So forbearance is where the bank allows you for a short period of time to either make partial payments on your mortgage or to make no payments on your mortgage. Maybe you're furloughed and you're going to get your job back, and you just need to hit that pause button for a moment to get some more cash flow in the coffers so you can make the mortgage payment. Once your period of time is over, you will be required to pay back the mortgage payments that you partially paid or missed. And that's when we get into what's called reinstatement. Reinstatement is where at the end of the period in which you've been able to have this forbearance, you pay all that money back in one lump sum. And if that's not possible, then your other option is to get with the lender and work on a repayment plan. That's where they'll take those payments that you missed and they'll tack it on to your current mortgage, and until that sum of money is paid off, then your mortgage payment will go back to its original terms. Finally, if you can't do that, there's loan modification. But you have to be careful with loan modification. You still have to have good credit and income coming in, and it's just like getting a regular loan. So don't think that if those other two options don't work, that loan modification might not work either. I'll provide a link below for the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau. They can give you tips on what kind of options you may have with loan modifications, as well as tips to how to avoid scams that might be happening right now, because nobody wants to be caught up into a scam. Now, if none of those options work, you have other options that you can explore. There's always short sale. There's always selling it to an investor or an iBuyer. I'll link below to my iBuyer video so you can understand more about that. And you can always do a traditional real estate sale if you have a lot of equity in your house and you just need to get out. But the most important thing you must do is stay in contact with that bank, because if you're in the state of Georgia, and there's other states out there that's just like Georgia, if you don't stay in communication and say you want to do some kind of short sale or loan modification and you're missing your payments, they can foreclose up on you very quickly. It's called a non-judicial state. They are not required to take it in front of a judge, and before you know it, you could be foreclosed upon. And I don't want that to happen to anyone, because it's a lot harder to overcome, you know, a foreclosure on your credit score than it is to go about these other options. And again, if you need help on this, reach out to me. I'll be glad to help navigate you through any of these options. And I will see you guys next time. Bye. Thank you for watching this video, and please share with the world. Connect with me. Pop on over to Facebook and like my Facebook page. Follow me on Instagram. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and connect with me on LinkedIn. And if you would like to support me, send me your referrals. I love helping people with real estate.